Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V tutorials. In today's video, we're going to look at the most searched cryptocurrency coin this week. We're going to analyze the most searched cryptocurrency coin this week using a real-time data. I'm going to use the coinEx as a case study. So before I dive into this, if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, do it to subscribe to this channel, like my videos, share my videos so that a lot of people can gain value from this amazing content. But before I proceed, I've been talking about this cryptocurrency coin, particularly coinEx, as you know. I will tell you what is it again. coinEx is a global crypto exchange where traders actually buy and also sell particular cryptocurrency coin of their choice. And in this place, a lot of traders also perform a lot of activities which I have shown to you in the past. You can stake, you can invest in a particular coin of your choice. You can as well perform P2P transaction in this particular exchange. Okay, so let's dive into it quickly without actually a waste of time. So if you're actually looking for a well-searched cryptocurrency coin for the week, then this information might benefit you. All you just need to do is to stay tuned. Because when a particular cryptocurrency coin becomes most searched, it usually means attention is coming in. And in the cryptocurrency coin, attention is equal to what? Is equal to volatility. Now, let's walk straight to the coinEx and let me show it to you where you can actually find this most searched coin on coinEx. Now let's dive into that. Here we are. Here we are on coinEx. So as you can see, all you just need to do is to navigate yourself to this hot session, because this hot sessions, this is where you can see the most searched cryptocurrency coins, and here we'll show you a 24 hours change. You can see the 24 hours change for this particular one is plus 14 right now. Okay, so you can see the most searched cryptocurrency coin right here on coinEx. You can see the Pippin, the Trump coin, which is the TRMP, the Mix MYX. You can see the River and the rest. Okay, you can see also the BTC is here, which is the father of all the cryptocurrency coin. You can see the Peppercoin, the SU, and also the SNS. And all at the right hand side here, you can see they are changed for the past 24 hours. Okay, so looking at this first one, which is called the pin, you can see how it has been doing. Okay, you can see it's a 24-hour value USDT. This is the total what was invested in it for the past 24 hours. You can see its market cap, which is actually very reasonable, over 843 million market cap. The total circulations is 1 billion, and also this is the total supply. This shows that this particular coin is strong, and a lot of people are actually trying to invest in this particular coin. A lot of people are actually searching for this particular coin. So looking at the second one, which is the TRMF, you can see it has over 20 positive since the last 20. You can see it market cap. You can see the date it was issued. The market cap is also a bit reasonable. It's coming up, of which a lot of people are actually searching on it for it, and a lot of people are currently investing on it. The circulating supply, you can see right over here, the circulating supply. This is a market cap. This is a 24 hours value, over 26.6 thousand USDT was invested in the past 24 hours. You can see its total supply. It's total supply 125 billion, and the total circulation is also 125.46 billions. Okay, so looking at it down here, you can see it's a 24 hours supply. You can see it's a 24-hour movement, but it's positive, and the others. Okay, so This is the second one. This is one of the most searched cryptocurrency coin on coinEx. You can see the mix as well. Maybe let's take a look at the four of them or five. You can see the mix as well. The mix as well, yeah, have a market cap of this 407 million. Circulating supply 102 million. The total supply, and the total supply is 1 billion, and also the total circulating supply is here. So looking at the market, you can see what. Let's look at the 24 hours. Okay, looking at the 24 hours, you can see actually how it has been doing for the past 24 hours. So this most searchable, the most searched coin on coinEx. All right, so you can look at the river as well, the BTC as well. Let's look at the BTC and see actually what it has been doing. This was issued in 28, as you know. So the market supply is over 100 and here. So look at the BTC, and you see whatever is going on with them: circulating supply, circulating market cap, and all of them. Okay, so looking at its 24 hours, you can see 24 hours was actually reasonable, and it's one of the most searched coin on coinEx. So all you just need to do is to look at them carefully and start doing something for yourself. So this brings me to the end of the class. Thank you so much. Subscribe, and as well, always make your own research before doing any investment. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being with me from the beginning to the end. I will see you in my next class. Bye.